Okay, problem number 6, they gave us 2 tables, and I'm just going to make these boxes for you guys so that you can see that this one goes with the first equation in each answer. So we're going to be looking at those first before we even look at the second table. But the second table, I'm going to do it in blue. And then just know that that's going to be the second equation in each answer. But let's look at the first one, which is the red table. And all I'm going to look at is this part, okay? I'm going to say that my x is -9 when my y is 0, okay? So every time you see an x, that's going to be your -9, and every time you see a y, that's going to be 0. So if I have 0 for my y, then that means the y goes away. So y is 0, so this y goes away, this y goes away, this y goes away, and this y goes away, because 0 means there's nothing there, right? So then we look at what's left over. Okay, so 21 times -9, does that give me 9? Think about it. Does that make sense? Okay. B, 3 times -9, does that give me -27? Okay. Si multiplicas 3 por -9, ¿te da -27, sí o no? So just think about those things. What about C? 21 times -9, that gives me 9. And then the last one, 9 times -9, does that give me -27? And if you don't know these in your head, I'm going to show you how to do it in Desmos just so that you can check all 4 of them. Okay, so when you type them in Desmos, this is what it's going to look like. I just already had them typed in. So 21 times -9 is -189. 3 times -9 is -27. 21 times -9 is -189. And 9 times -9 is a -81. So just go look and see which one made sense, and that will be your answer. Okay? So this one is not correct. This one was correct. This one was not correct. And this one was not correct. Okay? And then the last one, if you look at this, now it tells you that when x equals 0, y equals 8. Okay? So look at this, this second one. Okay? X is 0, so that means the x goes away. And when I multiply 2 times 8, let me put it up here. 2 times 8, does that give you 16? Well, if you type it in Desmos, or even if you don't, yes, that is correct. So both of these are correct. The answer is B. Make sure that you write all of this down so that it can help you on tomorrow's test question, the one that looks just like this one.